Hey guys, this is Shannon, and on today's Magento screencast, we're going to show you how to create a configurable product using Magento. Now, a configurable product allows the user to dynamically configure some of the product's attributes to their own personal needs and wants, like, say, a green shirt or a red shirt. Now, to start creating your own configurable product for your store, the first thing we're going to do is head over to the back end, navigate to the Catalog tab in the navigation bar, and click Manage Attributes. Now, before you start creating the actual product, you'll want to make sure that the attributes and attribute sets that you'll be using are put together correctly. So we're going to create a new attribute. We're going to call this attribute shirt size. We're going to make it a drop-down in the front end. We're going to make the value required. And most importantly, we're going to apply it to a configurable product. Now we're going to manage the labels and the options for the attribute. Make the default title size, and do small, medium, and large. And here you can also sort the position that customers will see these options in the drop-down in the front end. So if we're happy with it, we're going to save the attribute. And now our product attribute has been saved successfully. So we're going to create an attribute set for this configurable product. And you'll see a list of all the attribute sets that have been created in the past. And we're going to add a new set. We're going to call it unisex t-shirts. And we're going to base that on a shirts general default set. So here are our groups and our unassigned attributes. The groups section has all the attributes that are already in the attribute set. You can rearrange them to make it more convenient for whatever product that you're creating. We're also here going to add the shirt size and gender attributes. And these are both configurable attributes. Customers will be able to select them in the front end. So if we're happy with our attribute set, we're going to save it. And you'll see it's joined the other attribute sets. So now finally we're going to navigate up to the Manage Products tab, and we are going to create our configurable product. Now we treat configurable products a little differently than everybody else. We treat every product as an entity. When a customer makes a selection, they're mapping into one product, the large white shirt, for example. It's much easier to handle single products, we decided, instead of collections. So, to create a configurable product in Magento, you have to create a series of simple products for each configuration: men's medium, women's large, etc. This is not as hard as you might think. Once you've created one product with all the necessary information, you simply hit the duplicate button, and it creates an exact copy of that simple product. Then, all you have to do is create a new SKU number and a new configuration for the configurable attributes. Say, change men's medium to a men's large. Now you'll want to make sure in each of your simple products for your configurable product that your status is enabled and your visibility is nowhere. Once you've done that, you can save your product. Your product's been saved, so now we're ready to finally create the configurable product itself.